Very warm welcome in this session. I'm Mihilishan, your physics tutor. I am engineering in graduate and more than 10 years experience in teaching in physics and maths. And I have also worked lots of the edtech like Byju's, Focus Geometrics, Brilliant Tuitions UAE, Interesting Final Learning USA. Then also doing Singapore students and UK students also. So in this session, we are going to discuss about very important maths. Yes, this is also, we can say this is physics chapter also, maths chapter also. Okay, so first of all, we do, yes. A stone is held on the surface of a pond and released. So this is a pond, right? So a stone is released from here, okay? The stone falls vertically through the water and the distance is x meter. Fine. Distance is x meter. Okay. Then the stone has fallen in time t seconds is measured. So it is already given that here x is equal to 0 and dx dt is equals to 0. I believe in class 11th you have already read out what is dx dt, right? The rate of change of x, right? dt with respect to time, the change of x, the distance, right? If x is equal to 0, then we can easily put it down dx dt is equals to 0, right? And this is the condition they are given when t is equals to 0. Fine. Now, first question is this. The motion of the stone is modeled by the differential equation. Yes, I told you in the earlier that this chapter is a combination of physics and maths. So see, this is nothing but t2x dt2 plus 2 dx dt is equal to your 10. Okay, now in a number question, they are given us, you need to substitute your y. Okay, fine. So what is y? They are given dx dt. Show that the differential equation can be written as this. So first of all, what we need to do, right? So here they are given as y is equal to our dx dt. So we easily substitute here, isn't it? Dx dt in spite of y. But here d2x dt to y, what we need to do at that situation? We do one thing, we take differentiation, right? So if we do here dy dt, it's nothing but here also the second order derivative. So d2x dt2, isn't it? Fine. So now this is our first number equation. This is our second number equation, right? So what we need to do here, we put it down the values on the first one, right? So if I put it down the values on the first one, what will happen? d2x dt2 is nothing but our dy dt, isn't it? Yes. Then dx dt, we can put it easily. 2i of y is equals to 10. Okay. Now, in this equation, they are just transposing it. dy dt is nothing but 10 minus of y. So first question has been proved. We have shown it already. Next is about find y in terms of t and hence x in terms of t. Okay, so how we should do it? For that, whatever we have, we need to integrate it. So what should be? This is the equation first, right? So in that equation, we need to put it down dy and whole y wala terms. It should be in terms of dy, right? So here dy, then we transpose 10 minus 2y here. Then dt will be here. Okay, now we know that integration is what is opposite of derivative, right? So we do here integrate. So what it be? I believe all of you know that, right? So it is nothing but it will be, while you integrating it, it should be ln, right? Or log we can say. So it is nothing but minus half of ln mod of 10 minus 2y mod completed, right? T plus C. Here C is what? Your constant. arbitrary constant. Now what we need to do, we know that while you converting ln, right, we have e, right? So what should be here? We can take 10 minus 2y is equal to how much it is? A e raised to the power minus 2t, where we can put it down. A is equal to plus minus e to c. Why it is have written? I have jumped one step, but I need to explain it. While we converted mod sign should be plus minus, right? So why you took with e raised to the power something, e raised to the power 2c, that is also a constant, right? So we just take a as a constant for easier calculation. Now we need to put it down every condition. So what are the conditions they are given? They are given that when x is equal to 0 and dx dt is equal to 0, right? So we need to put it down every condition. So here when our t is equal to 0, then what should be? Dx dt 0. Okay, fine. Then dx dt is what? Already given that dx dt is y, right? So from that we can also write it down, y is also 0. So what if you put it down value here, right? You will get a is equal to how much? 10. So first constant we have been find it out. So what is our value of y? In that case, we need to find it out value of y in terms of y. Okay. So here y is nothing but we can write it down. Y is equal to 5 minus of 5 e raised to the power minus of 2t. Isn't it? So this is our y. Okay. Now we know that y is equal to how much? Dx dt. Clear? So next, this is our first answer. Then y is what? Dx dt we know. So in spite of y, we can put it out our dx dt. Dx dt is nothing but 5 minus 5 e raised to the power minus 2t. Now what we need to do, we take dx left hand side and it is our variable dt, right? Here dt. Then take an integration. Then what we need to do, it is nothing but x. Then while you do it, it is your 5 of t plus 5 by 2 e raised to the power minus of 2t plus d. Yes, d is what? D is nothing but your another constant. Now we put it the conditions. What are the conditions? While t is equal to 0, x is also 0, isn't it? All of the values, if you put it down, then you will get d is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, now put it the value of here. You will get the answer in terms of x. So 5 by 2 e raised to the power minus of t minus of 5 by 2. So this is another equation. I believe all of you understood. If you have any doubts, query, you can write in the comment section. Okay, and thank you so much. And I hope all the question is clear to all of you. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.